The div element. If you've ever looked at the source code of another web page, you'll see that there are a lot of div tags. Although HTML5 has a solution for many div tags, there will be times when you need and when you want to use them. To sum up what a div element is, it's a dummy element. It has no real function. It's a simple block element that you use in conjunction with CSS, or the style attribute. The reason we're going over this is because you will end up using these somewhere down the line. Let's take a look at some code real quick and how it works. To whoever code, and it's just like every regular element, because you can put stuff in between it, your content, it has an opening and a close tag, and we're going to style this block with a height of 50 pixels, a width of 50 pixels, background color of F00, which is red, and a font color of FFF, which is white. And this will display this red block here. If you try putting two divs beside each other, they will go on separate lines by default. And that's because they're block elements, and they try to take up the entire line from left to right, even if it doesn't. To counter this and put both divs beside one another, we must change the block element style. To do this, we use display inline-block inside the style attribute. And this is what our code will look like. We got the same open and close, got our two divs, and inside our style, we do display, inline-block, semicolon, and we continue along with the rest of our code. Now this lets the browser know that it is still a block element, but it should be inline, which means it should allow other items to be beside it. After we're done learning HTML, we will tackle CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it gives us the ability to style, shape, color, and transform all elements. But before we do that, we need to know more HTML, so we aren't 100% dependent on the dummy div tag.